Monty here, and several folks have reached out that they actually took last week off and they're just now getting started on the online learning, okay? The school district has asked all teachers to reach out and let folks know kind of the expectation over the next 5 weeks, okay? And it's all about learning opportunities. So, in case you've never logged in from home, I thought, hey, let's do a quick video tutorial on logging in from home, okay? So, first thing we do is power up our computer. Once we're there, we're going to find the internet. Once you're on the internet, just go to Spokane Public Schools. Click on Spokane Public Schools. Once we're there, all the different things that we can find, that's quick and easy links about the COVID-19 closure and all the different resources. This pertains to all of us. Every one of us falls under one of these categories. Okay? So I'm just going to get out of there, and the very first thing I want to do is go see how to log in. So I'm going to go to Digital Tools. We're looking for the school district, okay? All right, now we're at the school district. We're going to go to Digital Tools. I'd like everybody to click on Clever. Now, all of you have got to this point. We have to log in. Well, the question was, how do I log in? Okay, so real quick, remember, it's all about our email address. Your last name, last 4 digits of your ID number at sps81.org. And then it's our 8-digit birthday. Okay? All right. So for me, because I'm a school teacher, it's David M. at SpokaneSchools.org. Okay? Yours is going to be your last name, last 4 digits of your ID at sps81.org. And then your 8-digit birthday. Mine's already coded in. David M. SpokaneSchools.org, and then my 8-digit birthday. All right, so hit sign in. Once we sign in, we're going to be on the Clever portal. Okay? Now, there's several places to go. We've got our Blackboard shell, we have our Carnegie Learning shell, and we have our Office 365. Okay? Since we're here, I'm going to click on Blackboard. Under Blackboard, you're going to see all of your classes. You actually have a Blackboard shell for every one of your classes that you're enrolled in right now. So, since we're in geometry, I'm going to go down to Geometry B, okay, Semester 2, week of March 16th. Monty is online from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m., 8 p.m. to 9 p.m., okay, so morning and night. One of the things I think would be kind of cool is, since we're here, I've created a photo blog, okay? Photo blog. It'd be neat if you get into Blackboard, if you'd participate. Photo blog during the closure. I'm hoping that some of you that go online actually post stuff, okay? So I've posted stuff, Emily's posted stuff, okay? There's my Monteopoly board. These were the different craft ideas, drawings, Emily's little car, and Captain Geometry. Now for coursework. Remember, we can go to coursework. Okay, we're now in Module 4, and remember, M4T1. And then you'll see, this is it. During the closure, circles and volume. This is where we're at. Last week we did Lesson 1. This week we're going to be starting Lesson 2. Okay? And this is where you can find the video tutorials. Okay, area of a sector. That's what we're going to be doing tomorrow. Now, let's go to the actual Shadle Park webpage. Again, it's easy to find Shadle Park, staff directory, scroll down to Monacuco, David Monacuco, go to my web page. In the old days, I wasn't used to using a calendar, but I'm sure getting in the habit of it. The school calendar, okay? And today is fun day. Click on the fun day, and you'll notice there's the video tutorial from YouTube, okay? Being inspired. Monty will share games that we play in our house. That's one way to do it. Click on the link, and you'll go to the video tutorial for the day, okay? All right, now another way to do it is to actually go to M4T1, the 20-20-20 series. 20 lessons in 20 days of 20 minutes apiece. Here's Sunday, the video tutorial inspiration on YouTube. But each day that there's video tutorials, you can click on these to find your learning. Remember we talked about circles and circumference last Wednesday? So each day I update this page also. So hopefully that was helpful. Go through Clever, use your school email, last name, last 4 digits at sps81.org, and your 8-digit birth date. And you can access your Blackboard shells, your email account, Mathia Learning, and some of the textbooks for some of your other classes. Okay? All right, hopefully that was helpful. Otherwise, please email me and I can send you a direct video tutorial or we can talk on the phone. Have a great day.